Hello everyone. Now I continue the poem The Sea and the Skylark. Friends, in the previous class we have discussed about noise of the sea and its causes and effects on the mind of the poet. But today in this class let us discuss about other noises because I told you two noises. The line begins like this: left hand, half hand, hear the lark ascend. Left hand, half hand, I hear the lark ascend. Here the poet speak about the bird, the flying bird. The bird is flying over the sky, where it sings melodiously. The song of the bird is very melodious and it's shrill, but the poet stands on the seashore. He is far away from the bird where it is singing. But still, he listens the melody of the skylark in his left ear. In his right ear, he hears the sound of the tide. But he, standing on the sea, listening voice of the tide in his right hand, and the left ear, he listens the melody of the skylark. Here, the left hand refers to left ear of the poet. He hears other sound in his left ear. He hears, we know that, the song of the skylark. It is a shrill melody of the bird. He listens the song of the bird, though it is far away from him. It is rewinded, he says. It is rewinded. It is lingering very slowly in his ears. It is curling off, he says. It is curling off in his ear. When he listens the song of the bird, the melody which is imprinted, which is curling in his ear, making round, making lingering. He feels it as a pelt music, he says. He feels it as a pelt music. It is ever-ending music like the tide in the moon. Thus the poet listens to different voices at a time in two different ears separately and enjoys a lot. Because it is natural, simple, pure and desirable to the poet. Here we can understand that something which is impressed to the man, he naturally likes it, listens it, acquire it, and enjoys it a lot. But the thing here, the poet, being human being like us, being an extraordinary poet, James Hopkins, he listens to two different noises in two different ears. One is roaring, another is melody. Though there is a contrast in the two sounds, still he enjoys because of it is very pure, natural, simple, and desirable to the desired mind and heart. Thank you.